Dear student, welcome to my class. I hope you all are fine, safe and sound at home by the grace of Almighty God. In pandemic situation, we start online classes again. I hope you will enjoy this class. Let's go to start today's lesson. First of all, introducing parts. This is Biplab Das, Assistant Teacher of Raujan RRC Government High School, Raujan, Chattogram. Today, I am going to take you English second paper for class 6 students. Dear learners, let's go to start today's lesson. First of all, we are going to read out loudly a text. After read out this text, I will ask you some question for next part. So listen to me attentively. Saima lives at Bonani in Dhaka. She goes to school by rickshaw. Sometimes she goes to school on foot. She starts from home at 7 a.m. early in the morning. There was a heavy rain yesterday and the roads went under water. So she was absent from school yesterday. Dear learners, you see here some color words or bold words. Now a question for you. Do you know about these words? Yes, dear learners. These bold words or color words at, in, to, on, by, from, under are preposition. Preposition. Yes, dear learners. Now a question for you again. What is preposition? Yes, dear learners. A preposition is a word which is used before a noun, pronoun, or noun phrase to express its relationship with some other words in the sentence. Yes, dear learners. What do you see in the picture, dear learners? Yes, dear learners, we are going to know more information about preposition. Yes, the girl is on the horse. The girl is on the horse. বালিকাটি ঘোড়ার উপর. বালিকাটি ঘোড়ার উপর. Her father is in front of the horse. Her father is in front. In front. তার বাবা ঘোড়াটির সামনে. So we can learn here, the girl is on the horse. The horse is noun. and before the horse a preposition here on. অর্থাৎ আমরা পড়েছি যে নাউনের আগে প্রিপোজিশন বসে, তাহলে the horse is noun. The girl is on the horse. Her father is in front of the horse. Here also a noun, the horse, and the word of the horse, a preposition, is here in front of. অর্থাৎ আমরা এখানে বুঝতে পারছি যে বলেছিলাম আমরা বিফোর এর পূর্বে বিফোর নাউন প্রোনাউন নাউন ফ্রেজের পূর্বে কি বসবে? প্রিপোজিশন বসবে। তাহলে আমরা এটা এখানে দেখতে পারছি। Again, the kids are between their parents. Their parents also noun. So the parents, their parents before a words between, also a preposition. Dear learners, so we learn here where preposition food, where we use preposition before noun, pronoun, noun phrase, etc. Yes, dear learners. What do you see in the picture? Yes, dear learners, the cat is on the sofa. On the sofa. Another picture here, the cats are in the litter. Here also on preposition, the sofa noun, and the word before of the sofa. Yes, the cats are in the litter. In litter also noun. Here in a preposition which is used before the litter or noun. Yes, dear learners. Another picture here, the book is on the bench. Bench also noun. So today's lesson is preposition. Preposition in, on, into, onto, etc. Words are preposition words. Yes, dear learners, today's target learning about preposition, learn the use of preposition only in or in and on, and next class I will discuss you to, into, onto. Yes, dear learners, filling the gaps by using preposition. Let's go. You see here some words: to, on, onto, into, in, etc. Now I am going to watch, we are going to watch a video clip for next session. Yes, dear learners, wait a few minutes to start video clip. Some travels here. It is a very
Where's the monkey? Where is it? In the box. In the
some travels here, dear learners. Sorry.
Where's the monkey? Where is it? In the box.
Can you remember meaning of the preposition?
Where is it? In the box. In the box. Where's the bird? Where is it? On the tree. On the tree. Where's the snake? Under the rock. Under the rock. On. In. Yeah. Where's the apple? Where is it? In the box.
Repeat it again, dear learners.
Where's the monkey? Where is it? In the box. In the box.
Where is the monkey? Yes, dear learners, a question for you. In the box. In the box. Where is the monkey? In the box.
In the box. Where's the bird? On the tree.
Where is the bird? On the tree. On the tree.
On the tree. Where's the snake? Under the rock.
Where is the snake? Under the rock. Yes, dear learners.
Under the rock.
On, উপরে, in, ভিতরে, under, নিচে. Where is the apple? In the box. Where is the carrot? The carrot is on the chair. Where is the pumpkin? Yes, dear learners. Under the bench. On, in, under. Yes, dear learners. Where is the book? The book is on the desk. Where is the pencil? Yes, dear learners, in the box. Where is the ruler? Under the chair. Yes, dear learners. On, উপরে, in, ভিতরে, under, নিচে. বইটি টেবিলের উপরে, পেন্সিলটি বক্সের ভিতরে এবং রোলারটা চেয়ারের নিচে. আন্ডার, ইন, অন. Yes, dear learners. Now a question for you again. Can you remember meaning of preposition? Yes, dear learners. Pre means before, position means place. So preposition is a word which is used before a noun or pronoun to express the relationship with other words in a sentence. অর্থাৎ preposition হলো এমন কতগুলো ওয়ার্ড যেগুলো নাউন, প্রোনাউন এবং নাউন ফ্রেজের পূর্বে বসে সম্পর্ক স্থাপন করে এবং সম্পর্ককে প্রকাশ করে উইথ আদার ওয়ার্ডস ইন এ সেন্টেন্স, অন্যান্য ওয়ার্ডের সাথে বাক্যের মধ্যে। ইয়েস ডিয়ার লার্নার্স, some important roles of using preposition on, to, in, into, onto. Yes, dear learners, first of all, dimensional object in. In is used before dimensional object where water can be kept. Yes, dear learners, in. There are some water in the plate, bottle, pond, river, pot, etc. Area. In is used before area that has a boundary. Yes, there is a boundary. We go for walk in the park. In the park, in boundary. Where has a boundary, that means we have to use here in. Yes, dear learners, in used is before place. We live in Dhaka, Chattogram or Chittagong. Before possessive pronoun, I go to office in my car. I এর possessive pronoun my, possessive pronoun we have to use before in. Yes, before grass. The dog are playing in the grass. Grass means noun, and this is a place also. So we have to use here in. যখন আমাদের কোনো প্লেস আমরা বুঝাবো তখন আমরা নাউনের পূর্বে অবশ্যই আমরা in ব্যবহার করব as a preposition. Yes, dear learners, we have to use in the morning. In the morning means time period. Package a special design, pack in, pack them in 10. Packaging we have to use in when we use pack. This is package a special design we have to use before noun in. Situation, they live in poverty. তারা দরিদ্র সীমার বসবাস করে। He is in danger. সে বিপজ্জনক অবস্থায় আছে। Yes, dear learners. So when we see time period such as morning, in the morning, in the 1980, package or a special design we have to use in, package them in 10. Situation, suppose they live in poverty, he is in danger. Now a formula for you. Now you all open your exercise book and write down this formula. Here we use in as a preposition. DIPSTAPP. This is a formula. Such as dimensional object DI, place that has a map or boundary, place means P, situation of a person. Situation, past of the word is as, time period, time means T, area means A means area, P means package or packet, P means possessive pronoun. So dimensional object DI, place P, situation S, time period T, area A, package P, possessive pronoun P. It is a very simple formula for memorizing very easily. Yes, dear learners. On. Now we are going to know about on, where we use on as a preposition. Surface. Example for you, there is a ball on the table. বলটি কিসের উপর আছে? টেবিলের উপর আছে। Attached to. Attach the fan. There is a fan on the ceiling. Ceiling এর সাথে একেবারে attached আছে এটা, কোনো বিচ্ছিন্নতা নেই, সেজন্য we have to use here on. Here is a writing on letter pad. When we use our exercise book or letter pad, we have to use here on as a preposition before noun. There is a ring on the finger. On the finger, their ring is attached. It is also attached with finger. The tie is on his knee. This is also attached. Their tie is attached with knee. The ball is on the grass. The ball is on the grass. Ball is attached to grass. So we have to use here on before the noun as a preposition. Yes, dear learners. Days, a special day. We will go to Dhaka on Monday. Television lives. We are watching play on TV. She is writing lesson on a screen. This is a special day, means Monday, Sunday, etc. We shall go to Dhaka. This is a specific day, Monday. So we have to use here on as a preposition. Television lives. We are watching television, watching play on television. She is writing, that also live. That's why we have to use here on as a preposition. যেহেতু এটা লাইভ বোঝাচ্ছে, লাইভ এটা সংবাদ পরিবেশন করা, খেলা দেখা। অনুরূপভাবে স্ক্রিনের মধ্যে লেসন পড়ছে, সেটাও অন হবে, বিকজ দিস ইজ অলসো live class. Yes, dear learners. Line. He was walking on railway line, on, that is on. This is also a line. This is also a line. This is also a line. He swimming on the pond. Swimming on the pond, according to line. Yes, according to line, swimming always line. She keeps the cloth on the string. A string is always a line. She is running on the road. Road also as a line. So when we see something as a line, we have to use on. We have to use on as a preposition before the noun, pronoun, etc. Occasion. You also celebrate your birthday. So I presented you on your birthday. Date, a specific date. Our class start on the 25 December. This is also a specific date. So for your memorizing, I use here a formula for using on as a preposition. DASTOLD. Day. Days to do something. Day. When you use day, have to use on Friday, on Sunday, etc. Attached. The fan is on to ceiling. Surface. Surface means S. Television lives T. Occasion. O means occasion. L means line. D means date. Now you write down this formula in your exercise book and try to memorize this formula. If you practice this formula, you can able to use preposition in particular place or appropriate place. Dear learners, as a homework, you will write 5 sentences by using preposition on, in, and also you will memorize this those two formula for in and on to use this preposition appropriately. I hope you enjoy this class and I invite you next class. In next class, I will discuss about others preposition word. Thanks, dear learners. Goodbye.